Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a Colab notebook and signing into the Google account you want to use. Once done, create a new notebook and choose Runtime right arrow change runtime type only if you need GPU or TPU. Now run the authentication snippet from Google. Colab import drive, mount /content/drive. You do this because Colab needs OAuth consent to access drive. Executing that cell begins the secure authorization flow and triggers the code you will paste next. You will see an authentication URL after running mount. Click it, select the same Google account, and grant permission. This returns an authorization code. Once you paste that code into the notebook prompt, Colab finalizes the mount and creates /content/drive. Make sure to verify access by listing files or opening /content/drive/my drive so you confirm read and write permissions. This step matters because it maps your cloud storage into the VM file system, letting you load datasets and save results direct. You should now treat /content/drive as the persistent folder. Open data, save models, and write outputs there so results persist after the session ends. When you move large files, use Shuttle or rsync-like streaming and confirm free space in Drive. If you ever see permission errors or the mount disappears, revoke Colab access in Google account settings, clear browser cookies, and retry the mount sequence with the intended account. This single authorization flow is the reliable way to connect Colab to your Drive and keep files persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.